If you're in the middle of a job and you get an alarm 253 electronics overheat, here are a couple things that you can do to fix it. The main processor in the control has a temperature sensor built into it. When the temperature on the processor board reaches a certain threshold, the control will send out an alarm 253. So first, let's take a look at the fan mounted on the door. Make sure that it's working correctly and that it's not obstructed, so that cool, fresh air gets pulled into the cabinet. Next, take a look at the fan below the amplifiers. These pull cool air up from the floor and push it through the processor board. Make sure they are working and are not obstructed. If you get this alarm frequently, it might be time to look into a cab cool option, which acts like an air conditioner for your control. Visit haascnc.com for more information, and thanks for watching.